Hello friends, welcome to the R square, right? In the last video, we have discussed about conversion, its rules, and conversion of A, E, I and O type of proposition, right? Today, we will discuss about conversion by negation. In the last video, we have discussed about the conversion of A, E, I and O type of proposition. Listen carefully. The premise of conversion is known as converting. The conclusion is known as converse. The premise is known as what? Converting. The conclusion is known as what? Converse. Listen. We have four types of proposition, and as you know that A type of proposition will be converted to I type of proposition. E type of proposition will be converted to E type of proposition. I type of proposition will be converted to I type of proposition, and O type of proposition cannot be converted. O type of proposition cannot be converted. Why it is not converted? Because it is not satisfying the rules of conversion, right? So listen. A to I type of proposition. Okay, the conversion of A to I type of proposition is known as, once again I am repeating, I have discussed it, I have already said it in the last video. Once again I am repeating the same concept. This is known as conversion per limitation. This is known as what? Conversion per limitation. Then E type of proposition will be converted to E type of proposition. I type of proposition will be converted to I type of proposition. This is known as what? Simple conversion. Listen, pilamane, this is known as what? Simple conversion. E type of proposition to E type of proposition, I type of proposition to I type of proposition. Okay, we can get a point. One short mark question, one 1 mark question will arise in your what? Council paper. That is what? In which type of proposition? In dash type of proposition, comma, there is no change in quality and quantity. In quality and quantity of both the converted and converse. That is what? The answer is simple conversion. Listen carefully, because E type of proposition, this is what? Universal negative. It converted to E type of proposition, that is universal negative. Universal negative, universal negative. Particular affirmative type of proposition converted to particular affirmative type of proposition, and this type of proposition, conversion is known as what? Simple conversion. And as we know, O type of proposition cannot be what? Converted. Why? Because it is not satisfying the rules of what? Conversion. So today's video is based upon conversion by negation. Listen carefully, pilamane. That is what? Conversion by negation. Are you clear? Conversion by negation. So what is it? Listen carefully. The concept resides in this word, that is negation. Negation bhitere hi concept achi. Conversion by negation, right? Negation, the word negation is very important. So an O type of proposition cannot be converted, okay, by obeying the rules for conversion, right? But some logicians, listen carefully, some logicians attempted to convert an O type of proposition by changing it into an I type of proposition by transforming the negative element to the predicate. Once again I am repeating the concept. A point ta tuमको exam रे लिखिବାକୁ पड़ियो पिले. What is conversion by negation? एटा गोटे 3 marks question आसीबो. Right? So एथिरे आपनको लिखिବାକୁ पड़ियो. What is that? An O type of proposition cannot be converted by obeying the rules for conversion, but some logicians attempted to convert an O type of proposition by changing it into an I type of proposition by transforming the negative element to the predicate. So the key concept is what? First you have to convert the O type of proposition into an I type of proposition. O type of proposition to I type of proposition, right? How? Now listen, suppose the convertant is given, convertant is some S is not P, right? This is the what? O type of proposition. This is O type of proposition. Some S is not P, right? This is O type of proposition. Logicians attempted to first transform it to an I type of proposition. Then how, pilamane? Some S is not P. Listen, this is what? I type of proposition. So what is the concept here? How it is transferred? Listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. I am giving you one hint, right? Some S is not P. This is O type of proposition. Some S is not P. But in this case, some S is not P. Some S is not P. Some S is not P. Listen, what is the concept? Not P, not P. Okay, this not P, it is squeezed into a single term, into a single word, that is not P. Are you getting my point? Here, some S is not P. Not is different, P is different. But in this case, some S is not P. Okay, so listen, some S is not P, some S is not P. So simply not P, two different words, okay, and it is being forcefully squeezed into one word, that is, this one is subject and this one is predicate. This one is subject and this one is predicate. Okay, so while we will go for, so this is the convertant. Now this is what? This one is the convertant, and this is like some subject is predicate. Some subject is predicate. In this case, predicate is what? Not P. Are you getting my point? It is a single term, right? So while we will go for the converse of some S is not P, right? Simple conversion, as I have already taught you, described you, that is I type of proposition will be converted to I type of proposition, I type of proposition to I type of proposition, that is particular affirmative to particular affirmative, right? So simply कौन हबस इतने some not T is what? S. So this is simple conversion will occur here. Subject predicate will interchange its place. That is the keyword I have described. The keyword is ting tang, right? Subject will come here, subject will come here, predicate will come here. Okay, the quality remains same. Quality remains same. I type of proposition, I type of proposition, right? And non-distributed term in the convertant cannot be distributed in the converse. Okay, so the convertant is what? Some S is not P. It is transferred. It is transformed to some S is not P. Okay, I type of proposition by some logicians. Okay, and finally this some S is not P. It is converted. The converse, new converse is some not P is S. The key concept, the concept here is what? Not P, not P. Not P, both are different words and they are being squeezed to not P, right? Okay, this is the what? Key concept I want to tell you, pilamane. Okay, so this is all about conversion by negation. In the next video, we will discuss about overson. So in overson, we also go through its definition, its rules, right? And overson of A, E, I, and O type of proposition. It is also a long question, but this one is a what? 3-mark question. What is conversion by negation? First you have to give that concept. I have already told to you, and finally you have to give this concrete examples, that is symbolic examples, that is some S is not P, it is transformed, it is equivalent, that is some S is not P, right? This is I type of proposition, and finally simple conversion occurred here. Okay, so listen once again, I am repeating, pilamane, online platform is not sufficient. Online platform is not sufficient. You have to take you have to take admission in our institute. Okay, and that's why for admission related queries, for any doubts regarding the topic, for any doubts regarding the entire chapter, okay, you have to contact to us. Okay, you should contact to Shyam sir, and his number is 9090768267. Okay, you can also mail us through the r2@gmail.com. okay, and also you can comment, you can like, you can share, and you have to subscribe our channel, that is the r2. Okay, for today this is it. Thank you very much.